Christine here. Today we're going to be doing the fireproof balloon experiment. So, what do you need for this lab? First, you're going to need balloons. I have deflated balloons right now, and I already have balloons over here. So, what you're going to do for this lab, and you also need a lighter, forgot to mention. This is just a regular standard lighter. Proof that it works. There's the fire. Okay. So what you're gonna want to do for this lab is you're gonna want to take your balloon and of course blow it up or inflate it, whatever you want to do. I said blow it up. Now I just have to tie it. Gotta hate balloons. I should have had one already tied. Okay. This is a normal, average, everyday balloon. It doesn't have any water in it, doesn't have anything in it. This is a normal balloon. So, if you bring fire to this balloon, it pops. Instantly, almost instantly. It melted the rubber part right here, right through. You can see that little burn mark. There it is, all that. Minute and a half or 2 seconds. But this normal average balloon pops. So, for the fireproof balloon, you're going to want to have a balloon filled with water. I really overfilled this balloon, so we're not going to use this one. I just have it as a nice water balloon. So, here's the real balloon we're going to use. I use the same color. As you can see, there's a part without water and a part with water. So, what you do for the fireproof balloon. I am going to hold it over my sink because there's water in it, and when it pops, water will go everywhere, and I couldn't go outside because it is very hot, and I don't want to go outside. So, for this, we're going to light it. As you can see, the balloon is not popping instantly. I have been holding it on the balloon way longer than the other one already, and probably closer. It is starting to get black marks down here, scorch marks, but it is not popping. So you're going to hold it here. So, as you can see, it's not popping. That means it's fireproof. Look at that going. But, if you hold it up here to the top with the air, whoop! See? It pops. Instantaneously. The rubber overheated and it popped. So there's our waterproof balloon. It's waterproof wherever the water is, but not where I put the air, of course. So put that one off the side. This one has a lot more water in it, so let's see if we can get it to pop. Maybe not that much. I might have to put the water up here, the fire up here, but we'll do it again. As you can see, the water in the balloon is not letting. My fire has stopped working very well. I'm running low on lighter fluid. Oh no! So, there it is again. But as you can see, where the water is, the rubber is not popping. I let it go just a little bit on the top, and I created a little balloon fountain. Woo! There we go. Had to pop it. So I didn't add air to that balloon, because when you do this, you need to add air to the top of your balloon. It's very hard. But I didn't add air to that balloon, so it just created a little tiny hole where there was air. Like, it was right on the stem, so it was not the best example. That's why I did it second. The first example was the one you really want to pay attention to if you want to do this experiment. Let me throw that away. Okay, so what happened to make this balloon from popping with water? What happened? What goes on? Let's find out. Or I shall tell you. Or I will know. Alright, well, when the water is inside the balloon, it actually absorbs most of the heat, preventing the rubber from overheating and protects it from the flame. The rubber does not become very hot, so doesn't become weak in certain areas. So where the flame was, like I said, with the first balloon, you can see that instantaneously the rubber became very weak and whoosh, there was the balloon. Air flooded out, balloon popped. Done. It took all of, 2 seconds, I think it was, for the normal balloon to pop. With the fireproof balloon, we saw that there were scorch marks. Like you can see, this area with the scorch marks didn't pop. So, I put it up to where the air pocket was, as you saw, and instantly popped. But where the water was, didn't pop, because the water absorbs the heat. So, and it didn't weaken, and the fire didn't weaken the rubber because of the heat being absorbed by the water. So, I hope that was a fun 2-second experiment. Be careful, it expels a lot of water. I didn't realize that. I did it in the sink, and there's still water on my floor. So, have fun, have a great day, stay safe. I'll see you next time when I upload.